Kate here with WTI, and this is my mattress pad from TEXARTIST. Now, if you have an older mattress like we do, my poor son gets all of our hand-me-down mattresses, this is a perfect way to kind of breathe new life into it. So it adds just a little bit of cushion to make your night's sleep more comfortable. It has really great deep pockets, so you're not worried about it popping off in the middle of the night. And it's also super easy to care for. You can wash it in your regular washing machine and dry normally. So I love that it's low maintenance and it's incredibly soft. So as you can see, it has these little pockets all over. It just makes it extra cushy and comfortable. It's very breathable, so it doesn't add extra heat when you're sleeping. We put it on my son's bed about a month ago, and he has commented several times about how much more comfortable his bed is. So I would say that is a win for us. We are very happy with it. So if you're looking for something similar, this may just be your solution too, and that's my point of view.